Not too long ago, okay fine, over 10 years ago, I was a stressed out pre-med student trying to figure out what my next step was. Then I was a stressed out young professional trying to get into PA school. After 2 tries, I finally got in, only to be even more stressed than ever before in PA school. Once I became a PA, the stress loop started all over again as I navigated the challenges of my first job and the dynamics of working in a busy healthcare system with supervising physicians, complicated patients, and politics. It was during this time that I finally started exploring mindfulness and meditation to help me regulate my nervous system. And then during the pandemic, when I was seeing over 1,000 patients per week, yes, you heard that right, over 1,000 through telehealth, that's when I really established a mindfulness practice that has helped me not only in my career, but overall balance and general well-being. And today I want to share this practice with you. I want to go through the science of mindfulness and meditation and why it works, and also walk you through a breathing exercise that you can listen to anytime you need a little bit of balance or to connect with yourself. But first, I'm Laura. I'm a physician assistant. I started out sharing my experience as a PA, and now I'm cultivating this channel to be a place for balance, for peace, and for general success in the workplace. Now let's get started. There are studies that show that mindfulness and meditation can lower cortisol levels in the body, reducing stress, improving focus, better emotional regulation, and better immune function. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in JAMA Internal Medicine found that mindfulness meditation programs can lead to small improvements in anxiety, depression, and pain. The study concluded that these programs could be beneficial at managing psychological stress. And a few years ago, a team of Harvard-affiliated scientists from Mass General Hospital found changes in the gray matter areas of the brain associated with memory, learning, and emotional regulation after participants completed an 8-week mindfulness practice. This is super helpful because it means that just by incorporating this habit in our daily lives, we can overall improve our focus, our memory, our learning, and also just lead a more balanced and stress-free life. Now, I know I sound like a hippie, and I am, but I also haven't strayed that far away from a medical background, so let's talk about the anatomy and physiology of this. When you sit down to meditate or practice mindfulness, the first thing you start off with is by taking some deep, intentional breaths. And the beauty behind this is that we're able to shift our nervous system. So when we are taking small, shallow breaths, we tend to be in our sympathetic nervous system. If we're stressed, if we're running around, if we're busy. But when we sit down and start taking those intentional breaths, our vagus nerve is activated, which is part of the parasympathetic nervous system. So we're able to shift from the fight or flight mechanism to the rest and repair mode. And this ends up creating a relaxation cascade where our heart rate lowers and so does our blood pressure. We're also taking in more oxygen, which is ultimately beneficial for our entire body, further allowing it to repair and relax. Let's go ahead and do a little exercise. This is intended for when you want to slow down. This is great to do at the beginning of the week, in the middle of the week. Honestly, the more you do it, the better. So if you want to do this every day, just go ahead and skip to the deep breathing part of this video. So let's go ahead and find a comfortable place where you can sit for a little bit, where you can relax. Ideally, a place that's quiet or a place you can put your headphones in. And if you feel comfortable, shut your eyes or lower your gaze. Just relax your eyes as much as you can. And just pay attention to your breathing right now. Just your normal breathing. Maybe you're breathing in through the nose and out through the nose, and that's perfectly fine. Check in with yourself. How are you feeling? Now start relaxing your face. Go ahead and relax your forehead. Sometimes we subconsciously tense it up without knowing. Relax your eyes. Relax your jaw, your neck, your shoulders. And go ahead and start deepening your breath, becoming aware of this body that you're in, connecting to it. Taking note of these intentional breaths that you're taking and the mechanism that is going on. With that, go ahead and relax your belly. Allow for those big diaphragmatic breaths. Deepening as we go. Deep breath in. Long exhale out. Relax your knees. Feel the support under you, under your feet, under your tush. Feel yourself supported and held. Feel your body fully relaxed. And now, if you're not already breathing out through your mouth, go ahead and start doing that. And try to take that breath even deeper if you can. Using your full rib cage, expanding it, allowing yourself to take in as much air, letting it all out. Now, if you're having trouble letting go of thoughts, concerns, let's do a little counting exercise that helps us to focus on our breathing. So go ahead and with your next inhale, count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Now let's go back. Continue breathing at a deep but natural pace. We'll be here for a few breaths. And just ask yourself how you're feeling now. Check in with your body. Has anything changed from when you started the exercise? Does it feel good to be in this moment, breathing like this right now? Is there anything your body wants you to know right now? So often we spend our time in our heads, usually not enough in our body. This is a good opportunity to connect. Now we're slowly going to come out of this peaceful and hopefully gentle practice. So start sensing the environment around you. What sounds do you hear? What's the temperature feeling like? Go ahead and return to breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. Just feeling a lot more aware of your body and your emotions. And when you're ready, open your eyes. I hope this was helpful. Just something as simple as this, when you do it every day, can really help you shift into just a more balanced and calm state of being, which we can all benefit from. So I encourage you to come back or to try it on your own and see what it feels like. You can always practice the counting whenever you feel like you need to come back to your breath. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for doing this breathing exercise with me. I look forward to having other wellness tips and practices up on my channel pretty soon. Have an amazing rest of the day.